everyone, welcome back to Melbz Eats. My name is Melissa in case you are new. And today for lunch, I'm just having jalapeno poppers. So I cut the jalapenos in half and then I just filled them with cream cheese. Normally I would mix the cream cheese with shredded like cheddar cheese, but I didn't really feel like doing that. So I just have cream cheese inside, and then I wrapped each jalapeno with half a piece of bacon, half of a bacon. And then I put them in the oven at 380 for about 25 minutes. Normally I would put them in the air fryer, but I didn't want to dirty up the air fryer. So I just put them in the oven. And then to drink, I have sparkling water. This one is lemon flavor. Oh, and I just repainted my nails today, neon yellow. Let me know what you guys think. Also, today is Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day, everyone. All right, so let's dig in. Oh, and I have a little bit of ranch here. So good. So how is everyone doing? I hope everyone had a wonderful Mother's Day. I hope everyone had a good weekend. Also, when I cut them in half, I leave the stems on. That way everything doesn't leak out. I don't know why, but I was like just really craving jalapeno poppers. So today I'm going to be making tri-tip for dinner with asparagus and mashed potatoes. So I'll probably be back for dinner, well, another mukbang for dinner. And I bought some White Claws today when I went to the grocery store. So we'll probably have one of those with dinner. I really like the White Claws, but they're pretty weak. So I like to add an extra shot of vodka. So this is low carb, keto friendly. I didn't measure the cream cheese, so I don't know how much is in here, like the calories and the carbs and all that and fat. But yeah, it's definitely keto friendly. It's a nice day today, so we're gonna go outside and just sit down outside and enjoy the sun. And next week is actually, the weather next week is going to be much cooler. I think it's only going to be in the 70s. Is it going to go into the 80s at all next week, AJ?
I think maybe once.
Maybe just like low 80s. Oh, and we have to take AJ's graduation picture today, because his school is giving them a virtual ceremony for their graduation. And we picked up his cap and gown, like I think last week. So we have to take a picture with his cap and gown on and then film a little video. I think they said the video is optional. Are you gonna do it?
Maybe.
I like these, but I definitely like it better with the blend of cream cheese and shredded cheese. This is my first time trying it this way. I hate that so fast. Also, I've been really into Animal Crossing because if you guys didn't know, I just got it 2 days ago. I got it 2 days ago on Friday. And that's like all I do now. It's so much fun. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.